Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SKR series. In today's session, we will see what are the packages in Java. So first we will see how much are they. In Java, Standard Edition provides 14 packages. What are these? We will see one by one and how they work, what are their tasks, we will see in detail. First package is applet. So this package provides classes and methods to create, and these packages communicate with the applets. That is, this package provides classes and function to create communication with applets. The second package is AWT, Abstract Windows Toolkit. This package provides classes and methods to create user interface. This AWT package is used to create classes and create user interface. Then next package is beans. This package contains classes, methods to develop components based on Java Beans. After that, the second package is IO package. This package contains classes and methods to read and write data, standard input and output devices, streams and files. This IO package we will see how much functions are contained in command prompt detail by firing JavaPX command. After that, second package is lang. Lang package is by default added in our program. This package we need not to include like import space java.lang.star or the class containing lang. So this package is by default added in our program. What are the work of lang package? This package contains the fundamental classes, methods and interfaces of Java language. After that, the package is math package. Math package, what is the math package? This package contains classes and methods which helps you to perform arithmetic operations using Java language. After that, the next package is net package. The net package contains classes to implement network application. Then next is NIO. NIO package defines buffers which are contents for data, or we can say this package defines buffers which are containers for data and provide an overview of the other NIO packages. Then next package is RMI. This package provides classes, methods and interfaces for remote method invocation. You can see here, this package provides classes, methods and interface for remote method invocation. We will see in detail these packages after in next session. We will create one playlist on this Java. From installation JDK, we will say in video detail of what are how to install Java, how to download, how to view the path, how to fix the error, we will see in previous video. If you not see first this video, then see this video. I will add this packages video in playlist of Java, so you have to see first video, then second video, like that all the video which are we will uploaded day by day. This is playlist for creating purpose of detailed knowledge of Java. Here I will give you each and every point. I will cover you each and every point in detail, so you have to see the video at the first to the last. Don't forget the video at the same time. Then we will see the next package is security. This package provides classes and interface for security framework. After that, SQL package. SQL package is basically used for database connectivity. In when we create a project on C#.NET, there is a Java language also included. The syntax of C# is 70% as Java. So what are the packages are included or by keyword using that is SQL connection, like that all our packages included in C# when we create Windows form. And then next package is text package. This package provides us this package provides the classes and interface to handle text. Then next package is time. In time package there are functions are declared already. In all packages contain some classes, and some that classes contain some functions. In time package provides API for dates, times, and instance and durations. After that, the last package is util. This package contains collection, framework, collections, classes related to date and time, event model, and internationalization, and miscellaneous utility classes. Here you can see 14 packages are in Java. What are they? We will count once again: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. We will see after that how we can see what in package how much class, and in class how much function. We will see. Here we will open command prompt. After that we will fire one command, that is java p, then java.util.scanner. Scanner is a class in util package. After that you can see in scanner class how much are the functions. That are the function is scanner class which are declared already. After that we will see java p java.io. In io package there is one class, the data input stream. The class each and every data D capital, input I capital, and stream S capital. In data input stream, here you can see, I will show you once again what are the packages are what are the function are contained in data input stream. Data input stream is a class. In that class we will see these are the functions in data input stream or IO packages are contained. we can simply import this IO package. Then like java.io.star or java.io.data input stream if you want only data input stream class. Like that we will see in next video what are the dot operator in java and io, what is called dot, what is the name of dot, what is the work of java, what is the work of java p, what is the work of java doc, what is the work of java what is the work of java applet viewer command. We will see in detail in next video. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.